this patient, let's call him Beric Dondarian, and he's a regular swimmer, so he wanted it out yesterday. Left ear first, oiled blockage, in the Zollner goes, immediate surface attachment, and we have our first plug instantly. Majority of it has gone into the tube, and all that we have to show for it is a remnant piece on the outside of the Zollner. Back in to get the piece that's broken off, and look at that. A very long, dark piece of soft wax. Some peripheral remnants here, sticky, and I do need to remove these because Beric is in the water so much due to swimming. It can cause these very small areas to swell up and cause further blockages. Lifting up nicely here with a small keratin pull. So satisfying. A hair also lifts up and is moved to the side here. And we have a few more of the peripheral pieces here. And that's it. We are now clear. Now the right side. It doesn't look like much, but there is a lot more than you think here. And Beric was right to want it out. In, attaches, and out. Simple. Next we have break off of number 2 and plug piece number 2 appears. And here I'm guiding the tip of the Zollner around the periphery in order to check if there are any loose pieces coated in soft wax that are ready to come off. Precision piece off, and another one. Now this one is actually quite big. Straight into the tube. And at this point, Beric went on with his day. See you in the next one. Now, let me show you how many pieces of keratin we extracted from this one.